The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. USB-A to USB-C cable. Charge and sync USB-C smartphones, tablets, gaming devices and more. Made for USB-C devices, including Samsung Galaxy Note10, Note10 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, S10e, Google Pixel 4, 4 XL, 3, 3 XL, iPad Pro, Nintendo Switch and more. Tested to withstand 8,000 plus bends. Stay charged, synced, and connected with reliable charging cables that you can use in your home, car, or office. Tested to withstand 8,000 plus bends, these USB-C cables are built for a long lifespan and will work with any standard USB-A port. They're also USB if certified for safe and seamless performance with all your devices. Choose from all different lengths including 3M, 9.8 ft, 2M, 6.6 ft, 1M, 3.3 ft, and 15 cm, 6 in, to charge and sync across long and short distances. They also come in both black and white. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent cable, no noise. I use this cable to connect my Unison S9028 DAC card in my Utenheim 2 headphone amp to my computer. It's 2M long and does not have any noise or interference over the distance past a lot of various computer cables, so that suggests good shielding. Well made and thick. I would recommend this cable to anyone looking for a quality USB-C audio cable.